Think you know how to buy a home? A survey by WAV Group shows that a significant number of homebuyers are stepping into the market with their eyes closed.
This gap in understanding very well may change the real estate industry.
The survey was conducted on a group of 340 homeowners, each with their own story. These individuals, who purchased homes within the last 3 years, represent layers of experiences and perspectives. One surprising aspect the survey found was the amount of time that buyers thought their agents spent on their transactions. This statistic raises several questions about the perceived time commitment of agents. It challenges our assumptions and points to a diverse range of opinions among buyers. Some see their agents as quick fix experts, while others see them as marathon runners in the race to homeownership. This variance points to the complexities of real estate transactions and the often unseen efforts of agents. 21% of buyers thought that their agent really only spent about 11 to 15 hours on the entire home buying process. But there's always another side to the coin. 12% felt the pinch in their wallets, believing they overpaid for the services that they received. This brings us to another point: how buyers prioritize the functions of an agent. Some value the art of negotiation, while others the skill of crafting the perfect offer. Each buyer's preference adds another layer to the complex relationship between agent and client in the ever-evolving real estate world. And now here's where things get a little bit interesting. The study found that 87% of home buyers felt like their agent actually deserved the pay that they received, that it was an adequate paycheck for everything the realtor did for them.
And buyer opinions range from how well their agent negotiated a deal for them, or just helping them through a really competitive market with multiple bids.
This feedback, both appreciative and critical, reveals the most important thing of all: the nature of clear expectations. This raises questions about what the future holds for the real estate industry. Real estate professionals need to balance their act. An agent's job is not to just make sure the entire process goes as smoothly as possible. It's also to hone your skills in negotiation. It's an art form that needs to be practiced and learned. Agents are called upon to be both meticulous organizers and savvy negotiators, blending precision with persuasion to deliver top-notch service. In a field where legal complexities are intertwined with market dynamics, understanding these nuances pays off for most. From commission structures to disclosure requirements, each legal twist and market turn shapes the way agents and buyers interact.
The industry is really at a crossroads. Recent legal battles have shown that these aren't just courtroom dramas, but they actually could reshape the entire industry itself. And for agents, I say embrace the change, educate your clients, and help them through this process. It's a complex process, and it's getting even more complex.
And for those of you that are entering the home buying process soon, the lesson here is to dive deep, ask a lot of questions, demand value from your agents. If you have any more questions or you're trying to find a realtor in your area, don't hesitate to reach out. I can definitely help you with that. Or if you're just seeking some friendly advice, please reach out by email or just in the comments below.